Hello guys, welcome to my channel Netcast on WebTech Zone. In this video tutorial, we're going to learn how to create company or business page on your LinkedIn. Okay, so in order to create the company page or business page on LinkedIn, you need a personal account of LinkedIn. So if you don't have, just create the or sign up the new account with the LinkedIn and just log in with your account. If you have already LinkedIn account, then it's very good. So just go ahead, and now I'm going to show you how you can create the company page. Okay, so before we start, I request you, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. Okay, so let me start with the video. So here in my I am on my LinkedIn profile. Here you can see, so you can see I have already created 1 2 3 page here. So if you want to create, just go to this work option and click on down arrow, and here you can see the option called create company page. Okay, so this page, this option will you will get if you create new account. Okay, if you create new account, is just complete 2 3 days or 1 week, so maybe you will not get this option. Okay, so you have to wait for 2 to 3 week after getting new personal account, and you have to complete your personal account properly, then wait for 1 or 2 weeks, then you will get this option. Now just click on create company page. From here you have to choose the page, your business category, like small, medium and large business, or sub page, or education institute. Okay, so in my case I am having small, medium, large business. Okay, just enter your name. Okay, this is your name. After you enter name, this link will be created by default, and this is your profile link, your company profile link. Okay, so whenever you share your company page link, so it will be there, so it's a look like professional. So you can change the link. Okay, while you typing the name, it will be created by default, but you can change after. Okay, so just change if you want. Here you have to insert the website. Here you have to select the industry of your business. So I just select this one. Choose the company size, the company type. You have to upload the logo. You can upload logo after that, after creating a page also. So you can upload now, you can create upload. This is size you need for upload logo, and this is a file type you need to upload, like jpg, jpgs and pngs. Okay, and this is tagline. Tagline is like your company profile, company slogan, or what company tagline. So it will be show here after the name. Okay, and this is a category, and this is your slogan, or you can say tagline. Just verify that your authorized organization, and just create. Okay, after create, your company page will be create, and you can edit all details. Okay, so I just create a page here. Okay, so I'm going to the my existing page. Okay, this is my page. So after you create, it will be show like this. Now you have to if you left anything, so it will be show here, and you can add your left details. You have to add it will be full, and your profile will be 100% full. Okay, and now you can go to the edit page, and you can edit everything in your page. So you can see there is a lots of option you can edit. So my suggestion is, you have to add your location and page info, and hashtag is very important to your page. Okay, so hashtag is according your business type or product type. Okay, so guys, I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.